how to delete a comment on a TikTok post. So let's say you make comments on reels or posts and things like that, and you want to go back and delete the comment. So you can go to TikTok, and you might be able to get lucky and find the reel that you commented on, and you'll be able to go back and delete it, but sometimes you won't be able to. And you just want a very simple and easy way to do this. So go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner, and then you want to go to the 3 bars at the top right corner, and you want to go down to where it says Settings and Privacy. So from Settings and Privacy, you want to scroll down until you see where it says Activity Center, and then simply just go to your comment history. This is going to give you a list of all the comments that you make on TikTok, and from this point, you can go back and it's going to bring you to that reel or that post, and you'll be able to delete it from there. So let's delete the top one here. As you see, it brings you to the reel. You can go ahead to the comment section and go ahead and click and hold your comment. Go ahead and hit delete. And now